Hello friends, today we are going to talk about Python language, and today we are going to understand more in depth about Python, how it works, what are its features, what are its applications, and what are the different releases which are available right now around us. So according to Wikipedia, Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. Its design philosophy emphasizes coding readability with its use of significant indentation. Its language construct as well as its object-oriented approach aim to help programmers write clear, logical code for small and large-scale projects. Python is a dynamically typed language and with garbage collection feature. It supports multi-programming paradigm, including structure, particularly procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. It is often described as a battery-included language due to its comprehensive standard library. When we talk about Python language, like this typical word called as battery included, it means that it is comprised of lot many libraries which helps the programmer to write a code more efficiently. We are going to see lot many different things with respect to this. Very first thing is Python is released on 20th February 1991, 30 years ago. And the latest version which is going on right now is 3.10.1, and the next version will be, or the next release will be 3.11.0. Python is providing superb programming features and which is helping to grow like anything. Right now, Python is comprised of 25.95% of programming, and which is the leading worldwide. And on the second position, Java is on the second position. Other languages like C, JavaScript, C Sharp, and much more are in the below level. And when we are looking into this, we will understand that Python is growing very rapidly, and definitely in coming days it will increase more than this. Now, Python applications. So when we talk about applications, it means what are the different applications which can develop with the help of Python language. So very first one, which I prefer, that is AI and machine learning. Because Python is such stable and flexible and simple programming language, it's perfect for various machine learning and artificial intelligence projects. In fact, Python is among the favorite languages among all data scientists and their community. Many Python machine learning and artificial intelligence libraries and packages are available. Dedicated to AI, ML, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, there are thousands and thousands of libraries which are contributing in the development work. Second one is data analytics. When we talk about data analytics, Python play an important role in that. Much like artificial intelligence and machine learning, data analytics is another rapidly developing field that utilizes Python programming. At a time when we were creating more data than ever before, there is need for those who can collect, manipulate, and organize this information. Python for data science and analytic makes sense. The language is easy to learn, flexible, well supported, and meaning it's relatively quick and easy to use for analysis data. When they work with the large amount of information, it is usually for manipulating data and carrying respective tasks. Lot many libraries specific to this purpose is available in I will say arsenal of Python. One of the most important library, which is pandas, which play an important role in this. Next application is data visualization. So data visualization is another popular and developing area of interest. Again, it play into many of the strength of Python as well as it is flexible and fact it's open source. Python provides a variety of graphs, graph library with all kind of features. Whether you are looking to create a simple graphic representation or a interactive plot, you can find the library matching to its need. We have libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly, and much more. When we talk about features with respect to programming application, we can program all kind of application using Python language. The general purpose language can be used to read and create file directories, creating GUIs and APIs and much more. Whether it is blockchain application, audio, video, app, or machine learning programming, you can build all of them with the help of Python language. We also have good number of libraries available specifically for each and every sector of programming. Next application is web development. Python is a great choice for web development. This is largely due to the fact that there is many Python web development frameworks to choose, such as Django, Pyramid, and Flask. These frameworks have been used to create sites and services such as Spotify, Reddit, and Mozilla. Next application is game development. Although far from the industrial standard in the game development, Python is used in this particular industry. Its possibility to create simple games using the programming language, which means it is useful tool for quickly develop the prototypes, simplify certain functions, and much more, which is possible with the help of Python. Language development. Now this is like very interesting stuff right here. The simple and elegant design of Python language and its syntax means that it has inspired the creation of new programming languages. Languages such as Cobra, CoffeeScript, and Go all are simply syntax of Python language. Then finance applications. Python is increasingly being utilized in the world of finance, often in areas such as qualitative and quantitative analysis. It can be value tool in determining assets, prices, trends, and predictions, as well as in automating workflow across the different data sources. SEO, that is your search engine optimization. Another slightly surprising entry on our list of Python application. Python uses in the field of search engine optimization, that is SEO. It's an area that often benefits from automation, which is certainly possible through Python. Whenever it's implementing changes across the multiple pages or category keyword, Python can help. Then in case of designing, Python is used for that specific purpose. for 2D and 3D, and sometimes 4D animations and much more. Now, when we are talking about this particular thing, we cannot leave things like automation, database, documentation, digitalization, and graphical user interface, image processing, web scraping, and text processing, and much more. So this particular list is very long, and you will find infinite number of application for Python programming. Now, features of Python language. So very first one is that is easy language. So Python is very easy to code. Python is a high level programming language. Python is very easy to learn the language as compared to the other languages like C, C Sharp, JavaScript, Java, and much more. It is very easy to code in Python language, and anybody can learn Python basics in a few hours or days. It is also developers friendly language. Python is now part of syllabus for plus 10, as well as in few curriculums it is taught to standard 9 student as well. Python is free and open source language. When we talk about open source language, we found that this particular stuff play an important role for developers, researchers, and scientists. So these people, they are very much dependent on these open source languages. When we talk about available libraries with Python, these libraries are also part of open source community, and they are free softwares. Anyone can use it for commercial as well as any other kind of development, and it helps a lot. Python language is freely available at official website and you can download it and give the developer the link for the same. When we talk about Python language supports object-oriented paradigm. Although Python language supports procedural and functional programming as well. So Python comes with lot many type of things which are lot many types of paradigms which are supported in that. One of the key feature of the Python language is object-oriented programming. Python supports object-oriented programming language and concepts of class, objects, and encapsulation. Python is a GUI programming support. Python also comes with very good quality of IDE, that is integrated development environment. You will find good tools like VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code, which is free for users. You will find lot many good products which are available with Anaconda, so like Spider and Jupyter and PyCharm, and there are lot many other different IDEs are available with Python, which can help the programmer for efficient programming purpose. When we talk about extensible features, Python is an extensible language, can be written different codes, like if you want to integrate it with C, C++, Java, C Sharp, or any other language, all kind of extensions can be written with the help of Python language. Python language is portable language. Python language is also considered to be like one of the best portable language. If we have a Python code for Windows, and if we want to run this code on other platform like Linux, Unix, or Mac, then we do not need to change it. It can be directly used on any other platform. So you can also call it platform independent language. When we talk about other things like interpreted language, Python is a language which is considered to be interpreted language. Python is, or I will say Python code is executed line by line at a time like other languages. There is no need to compile Python code. This makes easier to debug the code. The source code of the Python converts into the immediate form called as bytecode. Python comes with a large standard library. So it is a collection of nearly zero point 0.3 million library, zero point 0.3 million libraries which support and which is part of your open source community and helps the programmer, helps the developer a lot. When we talk about other features, for example, flavors of Python, CPython, it is a standard flavor of Python. It can be used to work with C language and applications. Jython or JPython, it is a Java application. It can run on JVM. Then IronPython, it is used for C# and .NET platform. PyPy, the main advantage of PyPy is performance will be improved because JIT compiler is available with PVM, that is Python Virtual Machine. Ruby Python, Anaconda Python, Stackless Python, and Python C. So these are the different stuff which is available. I hope this particular video will help you to understand the basic features of Python and its application. And I wish you all the best for future learning.